Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Garageband and immediately setting tempo and grid so your rhythm is fixed. This matters for Jumpstyle's steady pulse. Create an electronic or empty project, add a software instrument, and load a hard-hitting kick patch or drum machine designer kit. Next, set the key and 4/4 time, then add a short reference loop or metronome. Once done, you can draw or record a simple 4-on-the-floor kick pattern to establish the backbone. Now you craft the middle. Program the kick on each quarter note and layer a tuned sub-bass to follow the kick's route. This creates the heavy low-end Jumpstyle needs. Add percussion, claps, open hi-hats, and shuffled 16th hats, and quantize to 1/16 or 1/8 to tighten the groove. For melodic interest, build a bright saw stab or lead and use the arpeggiator or duplicated MIDI notes to make rhythmic accents. Make sure to adjust velocity so parts breathe. Finish by arranging your patterns into intro, build, main section, and outro, and automate filter cutoff and level rides to create tension and release. In mixing, carve low-mid frequencies with EQ, use sidechain compression to duck the bass against the kick, and apply reverb or delay with restraint so the groove stays punchy. When ready, bounce to WAV or MP3. If you hear timing issues or clipping, try tightening quantize. Enable flex time on problem regions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.